What's up, y'all? This is Ray, and today I'm going to be doing an empties video showing you all the products that I have used up and letting you know whether or not I will be repurchasing them. So the first product, I'm going in the order that I use them, is the Eden's Body Works Natural Cleansing Co-Wash, and I love this product. I use it to co-wash my hair in between shampoos, and I talked about this in a previous video about how much I liked it, how much slip it has, and how moisturizing it is. So yes, I will be repurchasing this product. The next thing is the Camille Rose Naturals Strength and Restore Protein Treatment. This is from her new line, and I love this product. I've only used it a couple times, and I had to order it, and so that's why it has this tape around it. But as you can see, there's only a little bit left in there, not really enough for a whole nother protein treatment. But what I'm going to do is go out and repurchase this because I like it that much, and I'm going to add this little bit with it, and then this will be gone. But this protein treatment is a soft protein treatment. It's not like a Alpha-G. I am low porosity, so I don't need anything that strong. But this one gives me just enough boost to my curls when they're feeling limp and lifeless. So I love this product. It smells good. It goes onto my hair so smoothly, and it melts my tangles away as well. It has a bunch of slip, so I will be repurchasing this. I think this may take the place of the Miel Organics mint protein conditioner that I use sometimes. So I hate to say that, I don't know, because I love that one too. But anyway, between those two, that's what I'll be doing for my protein treatment. So yes, I will be repurchasing this. The next product is the Camille Rose Naturals Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. And this is a conditioner that you can use three ways. You can use it as a co-wash, a leave-in, or a rinse out. I use it as a rinse out conditioner. Tried using it as a co-wash once when I was out of my Eden's Body Works, and it did okay. It has some slip, but it doesn't have enough to me to really detangle my hair like I want to. But it smells really good, and it's not cost effective enough for me to use as a co-wash. So I usually use it as a rinse out conditioner. Now, the thing about this, as you can see, the bottle is bent up because it's so thick, it's hard to get out. I mean, you have to really struggle in the shower to get the conditioner out of here. And as you can see, there's just a little bit left that I couldn't get out. So that's another con, and another reason that I probably will not purchase this again. Not because it's not a good moisturizing conditioner and smells great, but because it's not cost effective. It's hard to get out of the bottle, and yeah, I just got other ones that I like a little bit better. The next conditioner is the VO5 New Strawberries and Cream conditioner. I use this to detangle with. I spoke about this in a previous video. So when I'm not co-washing, but I'm shampooing and I need something to get those tangles out, I use this. This has so much slip. It has more slip than the other VO5s, in my opinion. So I always gravitate back to this one. It's only $1 or less. You can find it anywhere from 79 cents to $1, and you can find it pretty much anywhere. So when I see it, I stock up on it. This is what I use to detangle my hair. I love it, love it, love it, and I will repurchase it. The next thing, we're going to go to our leave-ins / moisturizers. So this is Obia Naturals Curl Moisture Cream. I use this as a leave-in under their curl enhancing smoothie that I talked about. That is bomb. I have a wash and go on my channel using these products, and if you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and link it in the cards so you can take a look at that. But I love this. It keeps my hair moisturized. It keeps my hair shiny, and I just like it. I don't really use it as a daily moisturizer. I use it as a leave-in, but you can use it as a daily moisturizer. So if anybody has used this as a daily moisturizer, leave in the comment section below what you think of about it as a daily moisturizer. But yes, I will be repurchasing this again. The next thing is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. And you guys, if you watch any of my videos, you already know the answer to this. Yes, I will be repurchasing this product. This Curl Love Moisture Milk is my daily moisturizer. If I feel like I need to moisturize my hair on dry hair, dry wash and go, I will use this. It's thin enough to soak in my low porosity strands, and it's moisturizing enough to keep my hair soft and moisturized for days. So do I use this every day? No, I use it when I need it. And it is good. I will not trade it in. I love it. It smells great. And so, yes, I will be repurchasing this product. The next thing is the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisturizing Transitioning Milk. And this one has sea kelp and argan oil in it. This one I use somewhat as a leave-in. I use it as a leave-in more than I do a daily moisturizer. But I have used it as a moisturizer on my ends when they're feeling a little dry. I like it, but I like the Camille Rose Moisture Milk better. So will I repurchase it? I could repurchase it. Will I repurchase it before I repurchase that? Probably not. So it's good. Try it out. It may work for you. But to me, this one it doesn't mix as well with other products with stylers as the Camille Rose does. And I find that with a lot of Shea Moisture products, a lot of their milks and butters and leave-ins don't really mix well with like the Eco Styler gels and some other products. But nonetheless, they're still good on their own. So I'm on the fence with this one. The next thing is the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Aid Moisture Butter. This is a staple in my hair care regimen, and I will repurchase this product. I'm not even going to beat around the bush. I mean, this one only has like, a little corner left in it. And as you can see, it just has a little corner left in it. And I am going to rush out and go get more of this. Now, this one I use when I'm going to put my hair back in a puff, put my hair up, back in a bun or up in a puff. I'll spritz my hair around the perimeter with some water, put this on there, brush my hair, and you're talking about shiny, soft hair. Then I'll put my gel on there to hold it in place, and it keeps my gel from getting crusty and crunchy. It's that moisturizing. I love this product. I have used it on dry wash and goes before, and it works well for that as well, but it's a little bit thicker than a curl milk, so I prefer the curl milk on dry wash and goes, and I prefer this on buns, slick backs, or if I'm trying to moisturize a twist out, I like to put this on and then put it on my ends and coil my ends. This works really well with that, for that as well. So if you haven't tried this, you might want to try this and pick it up. It is a little bit on the expensive side, but all Camille Rose Naturals products are, but she has great ingredients in them, and so to me it's worth the price. So I love that. The next thing is the Eco Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil gel. There's just a little bit left, not enough to do a wash and go with, so I'm going to call it empty. Plus, it's kind of old. I haven't repurchased it since I got down this low because I've been using something else that I'm going to talk about after this. So I probably will not repurchase this product. It's a little bit temperamental to me. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it mixes well with products, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm probably not going to purchase this again. And what I will repurchase in its place is the Eco Style Curl and Wave Gel. Now this one is a level 8. It's supposed to be a softer hold than that one. However, this one to me is a firmer hold than that one. Firmer in the aspect that it defines my curls better. They last longer. And even though they're defined and last longer, they're still soft. You feel the firmness, the coils, they come back, they're not crunchy, but you feel the firmness that is going to last a while, but with softness. And it mixes well with everything that I've put under it. So I love that about this gel. and this one is completely gone. My other one is halfway gone, so I will be going to my beauty supply store and picking this up before I run out. This is a staple in my regimen, is taking place of the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. The next thing is the Softy styling gel argan oil, and I picked this up on a recommendation from another YouTuber who said that they liked it, and not so much for me. Sorry. I tried it. As you can see, I tried it twice, and I didn't really care for it either time. The curls were okay the first day. Day two, they were dry. I tried putting the moisture milk on them, and it did soften it a little bit. But then because it was just so drying, it's like sucked the life even from the moisture milk. I mean, this is just a drying product in my opinion, even though it's supposed to have argan oil in it. And so yeah, I will not be repurchasing this product, but it may work for you because different things work for different people. So I won't try it again for my hair, but you might want to pick it up. Of course, it is going to be around the same price. It's around the same price, I believe, as the Eco products. So hey, it's pretty cost effective. The last but not least is the Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Hold Me Down Gelée. And you guys know how I feel about this. I just did a review on this and then a follow-up a couple days ago, and it's in what's in my hair now. And as you can see, my hair is bigger today than it was the day that I did the wash and go. It is a soft hold. It's a fluffy hold. And as you can see, I still have some definition. It's soft, so I probably could get another day or two out of this. This is already 3-day hair. So I like this product. And what I said in my last video is I may purchase it again if I cannot get my hands on the Obia Naturals curling custard, because I like that one a little bit better. I feel like I get more uses out of that one, even though that one I believe is 8 ounces and this is 12. I just feel like I use a lot of this. I only got 2 uses out of this, and that's odd. So that would be the only reason why I would not purchase this again. This one is easy to find. It is in multiple places. The Obia Naturals is a little bit more difficult to find. Sometimes Sally carries the Obia, sometimes they don't. You may be able to find it at Target, but if you can't, then I have to order it. So if I have to order it and have to wait, then I might go ahead and pick this up and try to use a little bit less and see what kind of results I get. But as far as the way the gel works, I love the way the gel works. My only concern is how many uses I get. So that is the end of my video. Those are the things that I used up. If you have any questions about anything that I talked about, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Also, please leave in the comment section if you've used any of these products and what you think about them, and also what you would like to see me do in a future video. I'm open to suggestions. So if you like my content, you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.